Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Unique DJ here. As you can see, on today's episode we are going to be making chicken stew. So I'll be washing my chicken. This is my pepper mix. I'll be cleaning it before boiling. So here I finished cleaning my chicken. I'll be spicing it. That is curry, thyme, ginger and garlic powder, chicken spices, then I'll be adding Maggi cube, salt to taste, then onions for that gorgeous aroma. So I'll mix everything together. Then I'll cover it to boil. So we'll be going back to our tomato. I've cleaned everything. I'll be blending it. This tomato, shombo, tatase, onions, garlic and ginger. So I'll blend everything and put it on fire so that it will boil. So my chicken is ready. I'll be air frying it. You can fry your own with vegetable oil, but I'll be frying this with air fryer. So let's get into the main video. I'll be heating up my oil, adding the onions because the oil is hot. I'll add in the onions. I'll be putting in garlic and ginger powder, curry, thyme, and salt. I'll mix this together and allow it to fry for like 40 seconds. The aroma everywhere now, guys. So I'll be frying my tomato paste. I'll fry the tomato paste. If you want to know whether your tomato paste are fried very well, test it. It will have a very nice sweet taste. I'll be adding in my tomato mix. Mix them together. Cover it and allow it to cook. Here is a little bit fried because the oil have started coming up, so I'll be adding the chicken spice and the Maggi cube seasoning. I'll fry it and still leave it to continue frying before putting in my chicken. So here I'll be putting the chicken stock. Mix it together. So my stew is fried. So I'll be introducing the chicken into the stew right away. So that is my chicken going into the stew. I'll give it a stir. And leave it on fire for like 1 minute on a low heat. So the stew is ready. thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. If you have not subscribed on your way out, please click that red button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell to know when I post a new video. If you have watched to this extent, hit the like button. See you in my next video. Bye.